How to import products from Stripe. If you have one or more products already set up in your Stripe account and you want to import them into your system, you can do so with a few simple steps. This will allow you to save time from building products to price if you already have them set up in your Stripe account. Let's take a look at what to do. The first step is to ensure that your Stripe account is integrated. You can navigate to your Payments and Integrations section to ensure that your Stripe account is connected. If not, make sure you follow our integration tutorial to get your Stripe account set up and integrated. The next step is to import the product that you want from Stripe. Under Payments, go to Products, and you'll see a blue button that says Import from Stripe. Click that button to open up a new window. In the dropdown, you can select the product you want to import, and then you'll click Import Product and Price. Please note that only live mode prices can be imported. Also, if the system already has the Stripe price, it will not appear in the import dropdown as something available to import. You'll then be redirected to a view of the newly imported product. Here you can view the details, add an additional price, edit the product, or even delete the product if you change your mind. Please note that if you click the trash can icon to delete the product, a new pop-up window will appear and you will need to type out the word delete to confirm that you wish to proceed, as this action cannot be undone.